Welcome to Beautyistic, everyone. Have you ever felt like your skin just needs a reset? A product that can detox and give you that fresh, glowing feeling? Well, that's exactly what we're looking at today with the Organic Pharmacy Purifying Seaweed Clay Mask. If you've been struggling with congested skin, large pores, or even fine lines, stay tuned. This one might just be the skin saver you need. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on honest, expert reviews like this. This mask comes in at 1.3 ounces or 60 milliliters, and its main focus is to purify, detox, and refine skin. It's infused with seaweed, known for its mineral-rich benefits, which is said to help draw out impurities while increasing hydration and diminishing the appearance of fine lines. The brand claims it's great for all skin types, particularly those dealing with congestion and enlarged pores. Let's talk about the experience of using this mask. It has a thick, clay-like consistency with a subtle natural scent, nothing too overpowering. Upon applying it to my skin, I immediately felt a cooling sensation, which is always a sign that a product is doing its job. The mask dries down in about 10 to 15 minutes, and I noticed my skin felt tighter as it set, but not in an uncomfortable way. When it was time to wash it off, I was left with fresh, dewy skin, a definite win there. Now for the real-world performance. I tried this mask once a week, using it as part of my evening skincare routine after cleansing. It works best if you leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to draw out any impurities. After removing it, my skin felt smoother, hydrated, and looked less congested. Over time, I noticed some of the fine lines along my forehead appearing softer. While it didn't completely transform my skin overnight, the results were definitely noticeable after a few uses. Pros? First, the texture. It's easy to apply and spread across the face, and the cooling effect feels great on the skin. It's also hydrating, which is rare for a clay mask. Most clay masks can leave the skin feeling a little dry, but this one doesn't, which I love. And I appreciate that it's suitable for all skin types, so it doesn't leave my sensitive skin feeling irritated. On the flip side, there are a couple of cons to consider. The mask does take a little while to dry, so if you're in a rush, you might not be able to enjoy the full benefits of a 15-minute mask. Also, it can be a bit tricky to remove, especially if you're not using a warm washcloth to gently wipe it away. It's not a deal breaker, but just something to keep in mind. So, is it worth the price? The Organic Pharmacy's products are on the higher end, and this mask falls into that category. At around $50 for 1.3 ounces, it's a little steep for a detoxifying mask, but I do think it offers solid results when used regularly. You get that glowing, refined skin, and it helps with hydration, something you don't usually expect from clay masks. That said, if you're on a budget, you might want to consider similar masks that offer a similar purifying effect, like the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask, or a more affordable option from The Ordinary. Comparing it to other high-end clay masks, I would say this one has a unique edge because of its hydrating properties. Most purifying masks tend to dry out the skin, but the Organic Pharmacy keeps things balanced. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy. It's a glass jar, which feels luxurious, and the lid is tight, keeping the product from spilling or drying out. Now, if you've been thinking about getting this mask, here's the thing. If you struggle with congestion, enlarged pores, or fine lines, it's worth giving it a try. I wouldn't recommend it for someone with extremely dry skin, as it may feel a bit intense, but for anyone with a mix of oily and combination skin, this will work wonders. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I didn't have to reach out to customer support, but I've heard good things about the Organic Pharmacy's responsiveness, so if you do run into any issues, they're usually quick to help. If you've tried this mask, drop a comment below and let us know your experience with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.